going on, ladies? This is your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming to you today with a video unboxing a product that was sent to me from RetroFighters, the BattlerGC Pro Purple. Now I've cut it, you know what I'm saying, so we can get into it, open it up, check it out. We'll hook it up to the GameCube and take a look. So it's sticky on the top because they put the sticker in it. You know, we did slice the tape because, you know, I don't want you guys to watch me struggle on camera. But, you know, inside the box, you know, as always, they do have that beautiful, pristine-like packaging and whatnot. Let's see if we can get this out of here. And yeah, yo, shout out to RetroFighters. They did send me this review, but the thoughts are my own, and they did not actually see this in advance. So there's the front of the box. Here's your side view and whatnot. It says it works for the Switch, Wii, and the PC. So that's cool. RetroFighters on this side, and then there's the back of the box. Bluetooth and G4 wireless technology, Hall effect analog stick, so that's pretty cool. It has back buttons, accurate D-pad with integrated switches, rechargeable LED battery, so it is chargeable, 30 feet wireless range, and then 10 hours of gameplay on a single charge with a USB charging port. So that's pretty dope. Okay, so let's see if we can do this in one take, huh? See if we can get this open. Yeah, like I said, so that right there, and then okay, a box in a box, you know. Let's see, how does it open on the sides? All right, well, let's pull aside. Choose your fighter. All right, cool beans. So for anybody who knows me knows I love like a lot of Retro Fighter products. I have Dreamcast controllers. I think I have the new one too. I haven't opened it yet though. Have the 64 one and everything else. Oh well already that one. Just dump everything out the box then. Alright, cool. So inside the box, first and foremost, we have a RetroFighters pin because, you know, swag and stuff. And I'm assuming that's the controller, so that's pretty cool. We have a quick start guide and whatnot. So it tells you how to get connected, you know, how to pair it up and everything of that nature. So that's pretty cool. I'm assuming this is probably the dongle, maybe? Because I don't see anything else, so it'd have to be the dongle, right? Yeah, there it is. There's a dongle, so that's for your GameCube. There's something else in here too. Oh, and here's a receiver for your PC. So we'll test that out as well. Dusty. That's pretty dusty. All right, and last but not least, let's get to. Oh, and it comes with the USB charging cable. So that's cool too. They did say it was able to be charged, so there's that. Alright, now let's take a look at this controller. Oh, it feels nice. The sticks feel really good. You see it snaps right back into place. That's a nice size D-pad. And yeah, it's laid out just like a Nintendo GameCube controller. The top, I'm assuming that's the sync button right there. Got your L and R, and then they got ZLZR, and ZR is for Nintendo Switch stuff. I don't know how I feel about these being up here, only because if you usually play GameCube, you're playing with the back triggers and just one Z button, so that might be troublesome. But I guess we'll find out inside of a GameCube game. The back of the controller, there are macro buttons, so, you know, if you like those, do you got it. And then there's your Bluetooth and your 2.4 gigahertz. And so I'm assuming this thing has to be in 2.4 for you to go ahead and utilize it. But yeah, let's get this thing hooked up to a GameCube and well, let's check it out. So here we are next to my GameCube. Here it is. One thing I did want to do is compare this to my Wavebird. You know, the Wavebird controller, Nintendo GameCube, obviously. It's a staple in the industry. You know, this takes batteries, this doesn't. And I think this is a Wavebird solution for those who don't have one. But yeah, let's get to it, shall we? So I turn it on, It instantly syncs up. You know, no problems at all. So there's that as well. And of course, you know, the only way for us to actually do this is to, you know, play some Smash. Get us in some classic Melee. Doesn't matter who it is. Here we'll go Luigi, because Luigi's cool, whatever. And then random. So A button works. B button. I can't see. That works. The jump button works. That works. And so the Z and L on the ZR button does function. And then your shield's on the back. So if you were concerned like I was about the functionality, you can. And then tilt. So you can tilt as well, you know. And of course, you gotta finish your mans off like that. And just to do the reset, literally, I just turned the control off and turned it on, and it resynced back up. So, yeah. Also, shout out to 7-Eleven. Yo, last but not least, we're gonna check this out in some Double Dash, you know, because you gotta be able to drive in precision, you know. So your B, your A works, things of that nature. You can drift. So there's that, you know. Wow, they're already making a mess. But yeah, it works. Absolutely works. I don't feel any like kind of input latency or, you know. Sorry, we're gonna spam this mushroom for a little bit. But yeah, no latency, anything of that nature. I can switch. Which, by the way, I hope NSL does bring this back. You guys are reckless out here, bro. Yeah, hold that. Sorry, I just realized I'm just playing GameCube, and I'm supposed to be reviewing this controller. Yeah, hold that. But yeah, overall it's really good. If you can't get a Wavebird, I'd suggest this. You know, it's cheaper. It's like $50. If you go try to find a Wavebird, unless you can get one from GameStop, which is very rare. They're usually like $75-$80. You know, so I think that's something you want to keep in mind. Just for those for the frugal individuals out there who don't want to spend the money. You know, it's absolutely understandable. But yeah, no, I can absolutely recommend this controller. It's great. Legit. Check it out. I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that, but you won't be disappointed at all. And this does connect to PC, and it's like X input, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. So this for $49 or this for $80. The choice is yours. You know what I mean? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. And yeah, man. See you guys later.